Follow the steps on how to make a simple display background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating some rectangles. Select and fill with gradient color. Press X/X to remove the stroke quickly. Select and press G to edit the gradient position. Also do this for the second object and the third object. Add a rectangle in this part. Rearrange the gradient to be like this. Change the opacity to multiply. Press G to edit the gradient. Add a white line here. Lower the opacity. And Ctrl 2 to lock the background. Now you can put any product here. Finished. Okay. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.